Question number 17. A. Diagram 11 shows the speed-time graph of in-sick phase cycle on a particular day. Based on the speed-time graph, 1. State the uniform speed in km per hour. And uniform speed means a constant speed over a period of time, which you can identify as the flat, horizontal section of the speed-time graph. This happens between 0.3 and 0.7 hours, where the speed remains constant at 25 kilometers per hour. Therefore, the uniform speed is 25 kilometers per hour. 2. Calculate the distance traveled in km for the last 0.5 hour. To calculate the distance traveled in the last 0.5 hours, observe the graph from 0.7 to 1.2 hours. During this period, the speed decreases linearly from 25 km per hour to 0 km per hour, forming a triangle on the graph. In this triangle, the base is the time interval from 0.7 to 1.2 hours. 1.2 minus 0.7 is equal to 0.5 hours. The height is the speed change from 25 kilometers per hour to 0 kilometers per hour, equals 25 kilometer per hour. The area under the speed time graph represents the distance traveled. To calculate the distance, find the area under this triangular section of the graph. Now, apply the formula, distance equals 1/2 times base times height. 1/2 times 0.5 times 25 is equal to 6.25 kilometer. Therefore, the distance traveled for the last 0.5 hour is 6.25 kilometer. B. 1. Draw a directed graph to represent the longest riding time from the homestay to the waterfall with the condition that all the paths are taken once only. Let's convert all time units to minutes. Some travel times are given in hours, so we convert them to minutes. 1/4 of an hour equals 15 minutes. 1.2 hours equals 72 minutes. 0.75 hour equals 45 minutes. 2/3 of an hour equals 40 minutes. From the homestay, H, there are several routes to reach the waterfall, W, each with different travel times. The goal is to find the longest route, ensuring that each path is only taken once. To maximize the travel time, we should aim to pass through as many locations as possible without repeating paths. Travel from the homestay, H, to the bird park, B, taking 17 minutes. From the bird park, go to the beach, P, adding 15 minutes. From the beach, head to the clock tower, M, taking another 72 minutes. From the clock tower, travel to the upside-down house, R, adding 10 minutes. Finally, go from the upside-down house to the waterfall, W, taking 45 minutes. This is a directed graph drawn to represent the longest riding time from the homestay to the waterfall with the condition that all the paths are taken once only. Hence, calculate the longest time in hours and minute. Add all these times together. 17 plus 15 plus 72 plus 10 plus 45 is equal to 159 minutes. Convert minutes back to hours and minutes. 159 minutes equals 2 hours and 39 minutes. Therefore, the longest time it takes to ride from the homestay to the waterfall, covering each path only once, is 2 hours and 39 minutes. C. Diagram 13 shows the diameter of rim and the thickness of tire of bicycle R. The diameter of the rim of bicycle R is 600 millimeters. The thickness of the tire is 3 centimeters, which 30 millimeters. Thus, the total radius of tire of bicycle R is 600 plus 30 divided by 2 equals 330 millimeters. It is given that the radius of the rim of bicycle S is 3/4 of the radius of the rim of bicycle R. The radius of the tire of bicycle S is 3/4 of 600 plus 30 divided by 2 equals 255 mm. Now, let's calculate their circumferences. The formula for circumference is 2 pi r. Circumference of tire of bicycle R is 2 times 22 over 7 times 330 is equal to 2074.3 mm. Circumference of tire of bicycle S is 2 times 22 over 7 times 255 is equal to 1602.9 mm. Assuming that the distance of the recreational ride on every weekend is 12.5 kilometers equals 12,500,000 millimeters. For bicycle R, the rotation for R is 12,500,000 divided by 2074.3. For bicycle S, the rotation for S is 12,500,000 divided by 1602.9. Calculate the difference of the number of complete rotations between both bicycles' wheels. The difference is 1,772 rotations. D. In sick phase wants to buy 2 bicycles, and he has 2 choices: TT Cycles, a local shop, or The Wheel, an online shop. Determine which shop should be in sick phase choice to save his money. Option 1. TT Cycles. Each bicycle costs 650 ringgit Malaysia. There's a 5% discount on each bicycle. So the price of first bicycle at TT Cycle shop is 650 times 95%. 617.50 ringgit Malaysia for the first bicycle. An addition discount of 10% for second bicycle. Apply an additional 10% discount on this reduced price. 617.50 times 90% equals 555.75 ringgit Malaysia. The total cost at TT Cycles is 1,173.25 ringgit Malaysia. Option 2. The Wheel. Each bicycle costs 5,500 Thai baht. Convert Thai baht to ringgit Malaysia. It is given that 1 ringgit Malaysia equals 7.90 Thai baht. 5,500 divided by 7.90. That's 696.20 ringgit Malaysia per bicycle. There's a 15% discount on each bicycle. So the total cost of the 2 bicycle at the wheel shop is 2 times 696.20 times 85%. There's also a delivery fee of 790 Thai baht. Convert that to ringgit Malaysia. 790 divided by 7.90 equals 100. Sum up to 1,283.54 ringgit Malaysia. Compare the cost of the 2 options. TT Cycles is cheaper by 110.29 ringgit Malaysia. Therefore, TT Cycles shop will be in sick phase choice because it is cheaper. And that's it for the 2022 SPM Math Paper 2. I hope you found this helpful. Keep practicing, believe in yourself, and you've got this.